Hi! So, today, I'll be letting go of something. Pero, ipapag-groom ka muna natin. Ba din? Lish. Sabon mo. So, I'm selling this not because I just want to. It's because it's not receiving the love that it needs to be. Tagal ko na siyang hindi nagagamit ever since bumili ako ng iPad Air. So, I think I would prefer na magamit siya ng ibang tao that would use it, and also gusto kong bumili ng Mac Mini Pro. So, medyo matagal pa yung pickup nung device. So, dito muna kami sa Lipataon Center tatambay. And pupunta kami dun sa isa sa mga favorite spot namin sa Communal. Let's go! And then, there she is asking for coffee beans kasi wala na kaming beans sa bahay. So, one reason why we love the shop is they are very dog friendly. So, attested yan dun sa mga owners. And also, nagbibigay sila ng libreng pop cup kapag may kasama kami. So, ang in-order ko is ito, French toast latte. In-order ni Tricia is dark Hinako dark mocha. And umorder din kami ng food, which is calamari tsaka fries. Halo. Sarap. Siguro lang siyang French toast kasi yung cinnamon na taste. Medyo desserty drink siya, pero ang benefit talaga or yung kinagana talaga ng Communal as a cafe is yung coffee nila very distinct, and yung lahat ng drinks nila dito is an experience na you would need to experience once you go. Wala pa kaming ininom dito na pareho yung lasa, and wala pa rin kaming nainom dito na very na-disappoint kami kasi even if hindi siya yung gusto mo for your taste buds, you would still see yung creativity tsaka yung uniqueness ng bawat drink kasi binibigyan nila ng sarili nilang spin yung lahat ng drink na iniinom namin. Also, one thing to add, yung food nila dito, solid, sobra. So, dumating na yung seller, we'll be saying goodbye in a bit. Yan, so ngayon pagupitan namin si Denden sa Porific. Hello! Hello! Yan, so pag-groom siya, ayan, duwi na kami. Bye-bye, Denden! Bye-bye! So apparently hindi pa pala kami uwi. I have a quick run to the supermarket, so tara. Looking like adobo. Hi. So, not really sure on how to end this vlog. So, allow me to leave you with cliche learning na itatayin natin for today's episode. Letting go of things is hard. Pero minsan talaga in life, kailangan nating mag-let go ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi na natin nabibigyan ng importansya or hindi na natin nabibigyan ng oras. From time to time, we will have friends na kinip natin for the longest time. However, due to distance and lack of time commitment, we need to let them go. Hindi naman ibig sabihin no, nag-away na kayo. And there will be times na you will be able to revisit that friendship in the future. Pero, time is limited. That's the only limited commodity that we have in life. And minsan talaga, we have different focuses. Right now, pwedeng nagpo-focus ka sa family mo, sa career mo, and minsan, if you try to be Mr. or Miss Perfect, na to juggle everything, one ball is bound to drop. Let go for now. Doesn't mean you're quitting, but it just means na binibigay mo yung time mo and yung time ng person na yun or ng bagay na yun to a better home or to a better priority or to a better place wherein both of you can enjoy what you have. So that's for today's episode. Bye!